Boys pulled up. Sheesh. Here's the stock steering wheel.
Alright, bring the wheel.
Steering wheel. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me in my 2002 E39 M5, and we're gonna link up with the boys with AMGs and Audis. I'm gonna be the only Beamer there. The subject of today's video, we will be installing a brand new and upgraded steering wheel for Mo's S63 AMG. If you guys haven't seen that video on the channel, he straight piped the car, I ripped it around, we both ripped it around, had a blast. But now we're pulling up to Jason's house, and we are going to get this job done and just check out the other cars that are here. So keeping my hands, you know, clean. We don't want that the virus going around. We don't want to spread around too much. Really, you know, a lot of people are quarantining themselves right now, and you know, I'm just taking precautionary measures and stuff like that, so you know, people don't get sick. But right here we got Q's Mozzie with his winter wheels on right there, looking real nice, mysterious. The GLE AMG, and there goes Jason up there. The GLE is actually for sale, so if you guys want to purchase that car, we'll check it out up closer in person. But this guy seriously takes care of his car. He literally doesn't let any dust get anywhere on the car. So if you guys are interested in looking for a GLE 63S, I believe it's a 2016, then links and information is in the description below. There we go. Boys pulled up. Sheesh. Wow.
You got the gloves on?
Is this thing stock or? Okay, I thought so.
Really? It's quick.
Man, that thing's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Oh, kill him, here we go.
First we gotta see what it looks like now though. So here's the stock steering wheel.
It was in the US, but I paid like $640 just for the airbag.
That's beautiful.
The hexagon stitching, bro.
The seats are amazing.
Look, all carboned out.
Lavish approved?
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Jeez.
All the bells and whistles, man. This is sick.
All the Lambos have the same.
Wow.
Every German.
So you said what's all done to it?
Two downpipes and wastegates.
Okay.
And then
Alright, let me-
turbos, E85, air-to-air intercooler, all that good shit.
Let me explain
Nice.
some shit to you guys, alright? I got you, YouTube. So this is the same engine that's in the Huracan. Am I right?
Oh man. Oh. You did it to yourself. He did it to himself.
Oh, yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about. The Lambo truck, man. That's what I'm talking about. Yours. He be hating on Audi.
If it hooks, about 2.7.
What?
Whoa.
Huracan Performante time.
Hey, add that
If it
sound
hooks,
effect.
about 2.7.
That's crazy, bro. 2.7?
No, this
2.7.
car is insane.
Let's see the expert YouTube
Spinning,
commentators say something.
Still about 3.3 spinning.
Like you can be on the highway and floor it, and it
it'll
spins.
fishtail.
It does.
Wow.
This thing spins first, second, and third gear.
Wow.
We'll do a little launch later. You'll see.
Wow.
Okay.
You'll have.
Oh, you have the spoiler?
Yeah, exactly
That's
like this. It has the
nice.
same spoiler like this. It's coupe-ish, it's a sedan
By the
too.
way, without
Yeah. Wow. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the RS7, man. I'm loving it. If you guys haven't seen my review on the car, go check it out. Link should be up here somewhere.
How long mine took?
Airbags out.
Damn.
Oh, jeez.
see, it didn't blow up in my face.
Why don't you take the battery? I don't understand. Why'd you do that?
Because it's extra work for no reason.
Really?
You can just clear the codes.
On the screen too.
The other one looked crazy too.
And it wouldn't have matched with my wood.
Oh, yeah,
You know, like this one. This is the closest I could come to the white. I'm like, it's gonna fade away. Craziest story.
Perfect. All right, bring the wheel.
tell me. Hey.
Every time I would get in, I'm like, this has to go. This has to fucking go. And then I just wanted to.
Much better. So we have the white race line right here, perforated leather on the side, regular leather right here, nice stitching right here, and there goes the old one.
Hey, we're selling the old one. If you guys want it, just hit us up.
Nice paddle shifters on the back to take on the road and see what it looks like driving. Big shout out to CKM Car Design. He actually hooked up Mo with the steering wheel. He's actually a subscriber to the channel, so shout out to you, bro. That's been awesome. Been having you watching the page, helps out a lot. But yeah, go check out his information description. Check out his Instagram. These two cars together. I can't believe that you have it.
Yeah, tuned out by
That's a hell of a combination.
straight.
Yeah, straight.
And how much horsepower do you think this thing runs around, roughly, ballpark?
Right now on 93, I'd say about 760.
Wow. And
about 830 or 40 pound-feet of torque. That's on 93. If I put race gas or the 85 blend, just crank those numbers up.
And just so you guys know, it's an all-wheel drive car.
Yeah.
So.
I know, right? Yeah, so that's one first, second, and a little bit of third.
Yeah, it's definitely supercar fast. This thing floats.
With 3 people in it.
This thing is a rocket. It's got the pop-pops too. Was that a rolling launch?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, Audi trying to hold it down out here. Ooh. So you were saying you had this for about a month?
Month and a half.
Here we go.
Converted. That's Beemer Fam converted to Audi.
That's fucking quick, man.
Yeah, that's a fast car.
Bro, 2.7, bro, 0 to 60.
Yep. In the stock, it's like 3.2, I think. Man. Most turn. Just get some of the steering wheel on. Wow. That is a big difference for real.
Oh yeah.
Man.
My tires are cold. I got some.
But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the steering wheel upgrade on it. You know, I think it's a huge improvement from what it was before. The Audi is nice, but the build quality on the interior.
That's why that guy has the similar car. His is a 2015. He's got it too.
Just all this quality. And not to mention the seats as well. Less sporty, but just so much more comfortable. Oh, he's getting it cracked. Oh.
Oh, he's in the car. Q's in the car.
That was sick.
Who says you can't do donuts in all-wheel drive?
Exactly.
Wow.
See,
My tires.
In California, they be tripping.
That was scary.
Yo, that was
Put all that power down.
man.
What's about?
that motherfucker was lifting just.
Yeah.
See the whole. Hey, what do you always say about Audis for the camera?
Yeah, what you be saying, bro?
Oh, what you be saying?
What you say, bro?
Want to run it? Wait,
I
hey,
say-
let me put my stock tune on and I'll run it.
I'll say.
Whoa!
I'll say BMW Mercedes usually has my heart over Audi. That's what
Usually,
I
there
No, RS7.
Polite ass.
I guess it is drift season out here.
Yeah.
And then right over here.
Where?
This one is last one right here, right?
Oh.
Now we back at Jay's. RS7 parked up. S class parked up.
Let's try it.
This dude Jason got a whole war station down here. He got all the water.
Hey, Michigan, we don't play, man. Michigan, we don't play with the Corona.
Not by the freezer, we got salmon, we got ribeyes, we got strip steaks.
Oh,
we
snap.
We ain't buying out to restaurants, none of that.
Machetes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know if I can do all that. Damn, bro.
You hang, you climb, you do that shit.
That's sick, bro.
Oh yeah, that sounds nice. All right, bro. I'll holler at you. Wow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow us on Instagram at Beemer Fam for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.